I was just zoicha to spend 2 holy hours. אני אומר את זה באנגלית כי יש יותר אנשים. 2-3 אנשים. זה הרב פרץ מאיר, okay? He has an organization called Shvilai Or. So 18 moisdes. Technically, we'll talk about it. But look at this. This is something that doesn't exist in the entire world. אני אומר שזה דבר ייחודי שלא קיים בכל העולם. מבין אנגלית, מצוין. אומר רב עקיבא אשריכם ישראל. I'm going to show you something that you've never seen in your life. Okay? I promise you. I promise you've never seen. מותר לראות את השמות?
כן, אפשר להבין.
You never seen this in your life. In your life. I'm going to explain in a second. Okay? כמה שמות?
8,124.
Again? 8,124 names are written in this Sefer Torah. It's Sefer Tahara. All people that got upon themselves, this is the place he built in Haifa. All people who took upon themselves, and there's follow-ups as well, which means they stay in touch. All people that took upon themselves, b'schis his peilut, to start Taharas HaMishpucha.